How to create a YouTube channel by Ladia Sylvestre. How to create a YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and exciting way to share your ideas, interests, and passions with the world. Here is a step-by-step process on how to start a YouTube channel. 1. Determine your niche and target audience. Identify what type of content you want to create and who your target audience is. This will help you focus your content and create videos that appeal to your viewers. 2. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, create a Google account. This will be used to access all of YouTube's features. 3. Create a YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, log in to YouTube and create a channel. This can be done by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and selecting Create a Channel. 4. Set up your channel. Add a channel name, profile picture, and cover image that reflects your brand and niche. You can also add a description of your channel and links to your social media accounts. 5. Plan and create your content. Plan and create high-quality videos that are relevant to your niche and target audience. Consider creating a content calendar to stay organized and consistent. 6. Upload your videos. Once your videos are ready, upload them to your channel. Be sure to optimize your video title, description, and tags to improve discoverability. 7. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, engage with your viewers, and collaborate with other YouTubers to promote your channel. 8. Monetize your channel. Optional. Once you have gained a following, you can monetize your channel through advertising revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, and other means. Remember, starting a YouTube channel takes time and effort. But with dedication and consistency, you can grow your channel and create a community around your content.